Yede ni ede ache temana yekotemade a baby kakra ni na ban ede nhye ba sei no port ahodo unipass na ombe so magye sika abo se de be ya o man so betimi abobra ko yenim na ehya ase na emunsem na ko bibiri ne nkran sa kan se na wotwepe no unipass abo adwuma pa ama emfaso man Ghana na sika ye nyanom be 177.3 million Ghana cedis na se tempo apa na so face forwarders no binum echirim se still how there ebi hono papa opani kwaku ochida kon KOD ewo ahoma no eso akra otimi nka ma joy
mejo zminia
boko de
na me adom before
entia esa kani na ade na mo chese sila no enya de a eno ma ekoyim. Hello KOD.
Yes, minia mama mfa kwenye na mentia watiefo ewo mu se yenya na ntie se ICOMS se omatimi areki in 177 million Ghana cedis within 1 week ama Ghana government and oma sign actually se oma process 4,000 declarations within the week na minim oma my statistics was 4,000 no oma process no various stages ewo omo ka actually say 4,000 nyina ye declarations they are processing yetinye ye containers and say applications the padodo na aye e wo system so omunya ye hu adwuma na estimatedly no so omutimi process ya sika ombetimi ade ama aban ene sa 177 million no so omo kan sa ade a majedi but omantimi an kan sa no omsi sika make say omaji afo Ghana ban ko fasimi dia eno de me no omunya ade if you say yenyina we are on the ground that dia ye medipa eko abonten koye monitoring yenim de eko so ewo banks ene ye port ahodo enya de enipa dodo na no etimi eyi wo monema enipa dodo na kakra na etimi eyi wo monema ne ye yenya na ye tue duty wo GC na system no so ana say ya de ye declaration ye CCV a wo so na yentimi enyusu esa say first do na eko off no na ye reprocessing use special CPCB is 40D22 the 40D23 and no what the first system no so system no emma wo duty bia ye wo de dada na wo je wo GCnet so and when the system no as na cut and paste bi na system no accept na back na wa ko tua de wo tua wo sa system na so say no ka ho de a and ye fine but ye can new fresh declarations ye process I use various CPC to 40D01, 40D11, 40D13, any other CPCs in the year. I know the adult figure now on the other two. If you say, maybe that's what challenges our port, I know what I say. And then you come here, banks, any part, Yankas will be even through the new system. But a governor, is also your population in Tema. That be a make say the Tamaye, you know, 20 times what that other people do. It is even you're starting from Monday to Friday. You're teaming for a process even 500 declaration. If it's a Juma, a good man, a dozen. Vessels apa, you contain the Gua, Yentimi, and your word, Juma, a dozen. It is a process, an application process. I don't know what they can say. Yetimitria. But me sure say it's 4,000 declaration no even 20% to crowd your process am ya from end to end am ya niema if you say kwabra ya kan niema nine say we start project bit say ICOMS announce system
Obayin KOD wada Roma memram kakransa na watu aso asama di tu dwai sika 177.3 million Ghana cedis no Ghana Revenue Authority for na omode abetu edwa ne nyam se GRA fo ntimi metwa entron fa nkyere eti honom na no mo nya adwen na mo nya adwen a mo twa no makọ mo nkyɛn ebisa wo mo se sika omode ba no nyetwemu ne se de toso emienu enya nim se ahyase na be hye na wotwe mo kyese mo nya sika se ya ade bi ahyase foforo a na how edidi achi ntimi nyindi se sika ne benya de bumbum se de mo hwe animu no ana eno man koye kura wo port wa na se mi se ne
abna I don't think na mo na ma me fan free de toso you know how can ye system bi a start here you dey challenges wo ho enti enema enko waano said ye pe no enti said enema enko waano said ye pe ni eye de na wutimi 177 million cedis e ko matre o say ye nyina ye ko banks ho enema di pado na eye adwuma ni ye enema ya je hu duty da e wo o system ni eno na do so aye yi ye wo new system mu omo ma tinye tue duty afa mu no tue duty ankasa no kwasi say ska wo de bomu enuru sa enti we dey say o ma me ada na o say o ma me ewu na so ada asa de bono nsia say yetimi di say duty we dey me me bompa say be do be September na revenue Ghana Revenue Authority no ma jomo sika wie de da ye dey gamia to say no kresa but on the ground no kwabena enti sa
okay
and na wo kan be say system bi aba it comes with challenge kwabena e no kre but you can say challenge no a ye benya wotema no ye say ediesi wotakrade. It is the coming event. I kept saying that the coming event in Tabano Kwamana are casting a shadow over Takradi. If it's a Takradi for us starting full deployment. And until who's actually not Takradi, yet you must say, one, more extended transition period. 2, yenye piloting our tema. Yen picky companies bakumi lumiensa. Na yen try all regimes, warehousing, transit, ship stores, import. Yenye edian kakran na yen migrate system no simultaneously ye can we na amfa ye can integration kwabena ye see before say enka GCnet be shut it down it will be completely no as I say ICOMS na eba no as I say or ye fully integrated with all stakeholders and also amaso yes to make deploy system no enti problems na eba even though so mo yes ani ma we ya kwabena enka challenges kakra ba de na enka emma say the who dey say 1 week nie kwabena wo dey backrocker eba be port work from next week any tomorrow ye tua no kwabena you have no idea kwabena make us know
opa you quick one it says ye ka say no do tema porter icons no eye adwuma kakra
kwabena na me say tricky in fa me me office kwabena mabo in declaration makoma enkron na egum ebi MPA from last week to date.
Everyone say if you now watch and I'm so ashamed to be sabi no utimi nche da nya adwuma bia na waye kakra
me office me my try as submit bi egu system nim man kaza me nya ha me bo ma submit bi papa bra enye ready and ma kotua duty
na unu anu aka so what is omo so eno ma koyi ama omo
ehifo kwa bra
omo aka no mo ya adwuma say faith forwarders mo do
and I say me what technical committee so course me nya no edele kwa bra ebro 100 free me members ho more challenges enti enkrofo atini submit document but there were various stages and to approve na say baby edit you say e bia sika kwese na nitua yenya hui enti say applications no within the total e can say we process 4,000 declaration dia and you fair enough that mean you process it but MPA
but say tema ye no ma kakra very well that's it okay that's papa Rocky Odi and yet no and cano and I mind e ba koji ahome
na e chia sabeto so
wada ruma e ba sisi